Hello everyone. This is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome to another session of learning through fun quizzes. And today's quiz is about grammar rules quiz 1. So let's dive in. This test what you learn on our basic grammar rules lesson. Number 1, the first letter of the first word in a sentence should be a large letter, B, a capital letter. Answer, each letter B, a capital letter. Number 2, the order of a basic positive sentence is A, subject, verb, object. B, verb, object, subject. Answer, each letter A, subject, verb, object. Number 3, every sentence must have a subject and a verb, B, an object. Answer is letter a verb. Number 4, a plural subject needs a singular verb, B, a plural verb. A plural subject needs a singular verb, B, a plural verb. Answer is letter B, a plural verb. Number 5, when two singular subjects are connected by or use a singular verb, B, a plural verb. Answer is letter a singular Number verb. 6, adjectives usually come A, before noun, B, after noun. Answer, it's letter A, before noun. Number 7, if an opinion adjective and a fact adjective are used before a noun, which comes first? A fact adjective, B, an opinion adjective. Answer, it's letter B, an opinion adjective. Number 8, in American English, a collective noun is more often treated as A, singular, B, plural. Answer is letter A, singular. Number 9, the terms its and its have A, the same meaning, B, different meanings. Answer is letter B, different meanings. And number 10, last item, which is correct? A, you're looking good. B, you're looking good. Answer is letter A, you're looking good. All right, that's all for the quiz. Share your score in the comments below and let us know how you did. Thank you for practicing through quizzes with English Tutor Hub official channel.